Ever wondered how one becomes a programmer? How do these tech wizards dance their fingers on the keyboard and create wonders that drive our world today? Well, the path to becoming a programmer is not as enigmatic as it may seem. It's a journey of learning, practice, and persistence. And today we're going to demystify it, breaking it down into clear, manageable steps. First and foremost, it all starts with a spark of interest, a curiosity to understand how software and applications work. This interest often leads to the first step, learning a programming language. Just as you can't write a poem without knowing a language, you can't program without knowing a programming language. Python, Java, C++, there are many to choose from, and each has its own strengths and applications. Next, get your hands dirty. Start coding. Coding is a practical skill, and the best way to learn is by doing. Build small projects, solve problems, debug your code. This is where you'll experience the joy of seeing your code come to life, and also the frustration when it doesn't work. Both are part and parcel of the programmer's journey. Learning is a continuous process. Even seasoned programmers are constantly learning as technology evolves at a rapid pace. Stay curious, keep exploring, read books, take online courses, join coding communities, surround yourself with knowledge and absorb it. Now, a piece of paper may not define your skill, but it does open doors. A degree in computer science or a related field is often a requirement for many programming jobs, but don't fret if you don't have one. There are many alternative paths like coding boot camps or online certifications that can give you the credentials needed. Once you've honed your skills and armed yourself with the necessary credentials, it's time to step into the professional world. Start applying for internships or entry-level jobs. This may seem daunting, but remember, everyone starts somewhere. In conclusion, becoming a programmer involves learning a programming language, practicing coding, constantly learning, acquiring credentials, and stepping into the professional world. It's a journey of continuous learning and growth. But remember, every programmer was once a beginner, so if you have the interest and the will to learn, you too can join the league of these tech wizards. In today's video, we've broken down the process of becoming a programmer into clear, manageable steps. We started with the spark of interest, moved on to learning a programming language, emphasized the importance of practice and continuous learning, discussed the need for credentials, and finally, stepping into the professional world. Remember, this journey is not a sprint, but a marathon. And every line of code you write brings you one step closer to becoming a programmer. So keep coding, keep learning, and most importantly, keep enjoying the process.